Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to talk about that how can you actually compile and run a C file in Visual Studio Code. So for this purpose you need Visual Studio Code already installed in your PC. So it's already installed, and the second thing you need is the MinGW compiler. So you can get it from this website, that is sourceforge.net/project/mingw. You can simply click on download to start downloading. Once it's downloaded, then you will get this kind of a window, that is an installation manager. So from here you need to select the MinGW32 GCC object C, that is the Objective-C compiler. So you need to install this compiler. Once you have installed it, then you come to Visual Studio Code and write in your C code in a sample.c file. You can change the file name to anything you like except for sample as well, but make sure the extension is .c. Then you just need to go to the extensions of Visual Studio Code. So this is the extensions, and search for C runner. So C runner. Now it is going to take a few seconds to load some of the extensions. So you will find these different runners. Here is the runner C/C++ runner that I've installed. So you need to install this extension. So the benefit of installing this extension is you can simply just right click, and here you will get the option to compile the C file and execute the C file. So just select compile and execute the C file, and that would be compiled and you would be getting the output on the terminal. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.